Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make your Snapchat profile more secure. Would you like to make your Snapchat profile more secure? You can easily do it by enabling two-factor authentication. Just follow these steps and you will learn how to do it. Open Snapchat app on your mobile and proceed to your Snapchat profile page. Tap on Settings icon at the upper right corner. Search for two-factor authentication and open it up. Now click on Continue at the bottom of this page. Choose how you would like to receive your verification code. You can choose from text message or authentication app. I would recommend to go with text verification as it is the most popular option. So click on text verification, type in your phone number, and you will receive a confirmation code. You will need to verify your phone number. Once you verify your number, you will be receiving a verification code to your mobile every time you try to log into your Snapchat profile, and this will make your profile more secure. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make your Snapchat profile more secure. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.